In this explainer, we discuss laboratory safety. We explain some common laboratory hazards. Researchers and science students carry out scientific investigations in a laboratory. This is a school science laboratory. In a science laboratory, you find equipment, apparatus, specimens, and chemical substances. As you carry out scientific investigations, it is important to observe safety precautions. This is because accidents could happen and cause serious injuries or great harm to human health. Let us find out more about common laboratory hazards. A hazard is another term for danger or risk. Any substance or object that is hazardous has the potential to cause harm to people, animals, plants, as well as the environment. It is important to observe laboratory safety measures during scientific investigations. Why? When you observe safety precautions, you reduce the chances of causing accidents in the laboratory. You also reduce the risk of causing harm or injury to yourself and others, or causing damage to the laboratory equipment and apparatus. The following are some common hazards in a science laboratory. Toxic chemicals that could cause poisoning when ingested, or suffocation when inhaled. Exposed electric wires and sockets that could cause electric shock or electrocution. Corrosive substances such as acids and bases that could scald the skin. Exposure to carcinogens. These are substances that could cause cancer. Wet and slippery floors that could cause falls. Substances or materials that could explode if exposed to heat or pressure. Open fire flames and hot surfaces that could cause burns, and hot liquids and steam that could cause scalds. Flammable substances that catch fire easily and cause fire accidents. Sharp objects such as wires, nails, pins, and broken glass. Extremely cold temperatures that can lower body and hand temperature, making it difficult to handle and grip objects. Strong magnetic fields that could easily attract heavy and sharp metal objects at a high speed. These can hit people and surfaces, causing injuries and damage to equipment. Substances that produce harmful rays. These are called radioactive substances. Biological hazards are also known as biohazards. These refer to biological substances that pose a threat to the health of human beings, animals and plants. Examples are viruses, bacteria, and fungi.